Seasonal tokens proof of concept. The following chart is the key to understanding seasonal tokens. This data proves that the relative prices of the tokens can be controlled by their mining supply. In particular, it shows that it is possible to produce predictable oscillations in the relative prices. The data plotted is the token's price divided by the average of the four tokens' prices. You can see that the vertical axis is a dimensionless variable. This chart is independent of the dollar prices of the tokens. The important thing to notice is, despite random fluctuations, you can see that the relative prices follow a well-determined pattern. During the first 9 months of the project, spring was the cheapest token, followed by summer, autumn, and winter was the most expensive. In June 2022, the rate of supply of the spring tokens was cut in half. The new scarcity in the token's supply put upward pressure on its price relative to the other 3 tokens. And 5 months later, spring was the most expensive of the 4 tokens, and summer the cheapest. This situation lasted for some months, with summer the cheapest token, followed by autumn, winter, and spring being the most expensive of the 4. In March 2023, the rate of supply of summer tokens was cut in half, and we can see that the relative price of summer is rising. These predictable price oscillations are the result of the mining supply schedule, hard-coded in the token's smart contracts. Not only this proves that the seasonal token system is working as designed, it is also a technological accomplishment, because it proves that mining supply does affect the price. It is hard to see this periodical signal in other proof-of-work cryptocurrencies because the fluctuations in the dollar prices blur the effects of the halving of mining supply. By focusing on the relative prices of the 4 tokens, the effects of external factors cancel out. It's like magic. Traders can profit from the predictable price changes. There is a winning trading strategy in the system. Buy the cheapest tokens. Wait until it becomes the most expensive of the 4. Trade them for the cheapest token. Repeat. This brings the power of compounding returns to your portfolio, and the results are amazing. You can see it for yourself using our seasonal trading simulator. Traders can use these clear, transparent, and public signals to decide how and when to buy and sell the tokens. This is an innovative, ethical, and fair approach to cryptocurrency trading. Join our Discord. We are happy to discuss token economics and how to build wealth with seasonal tokens. Find the links on the description of this video.